cleaning your electronic devices with water like this.
कीजिएगा, ये ठीक नहीं हो रहा सर, आप गलत कर रहे हैं सर।
Say hi to this cleaning 7-in-1 kit, a complete package to keep all your electronic devices clean. इस क्लीनिंग किट में ऐसे 7 एसेंशियल टूल्स है जो आपको बहुत काम आएंगे। This is a reusable spray bottle. Just simply fill it with your favorite cleaning solution, spray it on your device and wipe with this wiping cloth to make your screen crystal clear. These cloths can be used to remove dirt, oil and smudges from your devices and can be reused. With this high quality brush, you can remove dust from lenses and other optics. This device is perfect for cleaning LCDs, laptops, cameras, lenses and many other electronic devices. It comes only for 495 rupees. Try this with someone who's a cleanliness freak and follow Cable Connector for more such useful products.
To know more, आप हमारे स्टोर केबल कनेक्टर पे भी विजिट कर सकते हैं।